Okay, so real quickly, what I want to do is just this is the code that we have. This is what it looks like. I just want to make some adjustments to the lists, just so you can see how those work, as well as just do the background image. So I'll do the list real quick first, and then we'll do the background image. So I don't want to have to make. I can't just target list items because you can see that these both are list items, and the way that we format the way that we write these out is that we target for unordered list and ordered list both use list style type, even though they're different types of lists. So we're going to actually target them using the parent and then the child. So it's going to be like this. We'll do the unordered list item, parentheses. All right, and then it's going to be list style type, and then you can see there's a whole bunch of different options here, and I'm just going to do square like that, and then we'll close that up. Boom, like that. Then I'm going to do ordered list item. So that means inside the unordered list, the list item, these, right? So this is going to target all the list items inside of unordered list. So that's how we would do that. So we'll do list style type, and this time we will do, let's do lower alpha, okay? And let's just test that real quick. Should always test as we go along to make sure everything is working hunky-dory. So I'm just going to save that with Control S or Command S. Come here, Control R. And now you can see that these are no longer numbers, and these are now square. So yay, we've got that working. So to do the background's going to be a slight bit more complicated. We have to put that image inside of there. So you can use whatever you like for your background. That's up to you. I'm going to use something that's going to repeat. So let's do that next. We're going to minimize this, we need to open up the website here. And I'm going to go to my images. And you can see I have my two images here, but I need that other image, my background image. So I have this one here. And if you look at it, I'll just show you it real quick. I made it so that it repeats. So this is the other half of this. So if you were to take this tile and put it here, you'd have a finished cone going upside down, and then you'd have this one going here. And then so basically it'll tie it pretty well. So that way it's a repeatable texture. You could just as easily just do one really large image, but this obviously would be more time saving. It's a GIF, which is smaller as well, since it's more of like iconography as opposed to like an actual like full-size image. So we just want to make sure we put that inside of here, and then we can start linking that in our code. Go back to our code. All right, and this is actually going to go inside of the body because I want to be inside the body just like that color was. So we'll put it right after the color, in fact. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to type in background image, and then it's going to be URL, and then we're going to do quotes, and then it's going to be images / and then it's going to be wallpaper GIF, and we will leave it like that. So let's save that. We'll go back to our thing here, and then now you will see the background. Now, if I want to make it so it scrolls, because I think that would look cool, let's go ahead and do that as well. So we're going to do background, background attachment. Where are you? Background attachment. And we're going to do fixed, like that. Now what I want you to notice is when we go to preview it, and we Control R, see how the background doesn't slide with us, and it gives sort of a 3D feel. All right, and now the list and the background are in there.